Miracle Gro 12 is a fully integrated indoor growing system that simplifies the hydroponic process so you can grow a wide variety of leafy greens, herbs and flowers inside your home year-round. Just add seeds, cuttings or start with a young plant. Includes 1 transplanting kit, contains latex, 2 packets of plant nutrition, and 1 seed starting kit, seeds not included. Grow the food you love indoors year-round with the Miracle Gro 12 indoor growing system. Bluetooth connected, it takes the guesswork out of growing and lets you control your system right from your phone with the Miracle Gro 12 app. The Miracle Gro 12 Indoor Growing System LED Hydroponic Grow Light is specially designed for indoor gardening. Grow up to 4 plants to add greenery to your home and fresh flavors to your kitchen. Thoughtfully designed as an accent table to make growing indoors simple, easy and beautiful, it seamlessly blends in with your existing decor. Top reviews from the United States. Good growing system. Once the plants are in, this unit is functional and beautiful. An attractive showcase. Could not get my eyes of it each time I pass by. Not only it is pretty, it is also a very good growing system. I was surprised that it could give me at least 1 large serving of salad per week. It can hold only 4 plants, not many comparing to other hydroponic systems, but that did not bother me. In other hydroponic systems, one can start with large number of plants, then must reduce the number once the plants grow large anyway.